Municipal bonds come in several shapes and sizes with a variety of tax structures, funding sources, and methods of analyses. Types of municipal debt include general obligation bonds, revenue bonds, which may focus on specific areas such as housing, healthcare, education, and transportation, as well as issuance subject to the alternative minimum tax, or AMT, Build America bonds, or BABs, double-barreled bonds, and advanced refunding bonds, just to name a few. But what differentiates these bonds from one another, and what are some of the ways in which investors can conduct analyses on some of these instruments in both the primary and secondary markets? For example, did you know that when analyzing revenue bonds, it would not be necessary to look at the issuer's tax base or tax collection record? This is because payments to holders of revenue bonds are not sourced from taxes the way general obligation bonds are. For revenue bonds, cash flows from constructed projects are typically used to repay investors. In this course, we'll cover factors such as these as well as many others. To navigate these often complex products, we'll also provide you with some tools so that you may be able to become more familiar with the types of municipal notes available to purchase and trade, as well as obtain a better understanding of the features associated with muni debt in terms of risks, due diligence, calculating accrued interest, yield disclosure, and tax considerations, including recent changes to state and local tax or SALT deductions. We'll also walk you through the IBKR Trader Workstation, where you can locate certain municipal bonds in the secondary market and conduct due diligence to help inform your investment decisions. In the next chapters of this video series, we'll explore more about general obligation bonds and revenue bonds. And as you progress through the course, you may wish to revisit previous lessons to help you keep it refreshed and enhance your understanding of the many facets that comprise the municipal bond market. You'll also find a quiz at the end of each lesson, along with a final exam at the end of the course to reinforce your understanding. Please keep in mind that as you review this course, that this material does not and is not intended to take into account your particular investment needs. Before acting on this material, you should consider whether it's suitable for your financial conditions, investment objectives, or other requirements. I'm Stephen Levine with Interactive Brokers, looking forward to your participation.